Hello, I am Renu Chauhan, yoga meditation teacher, and today I am going to share with you something which is very helpful in current scenario to improve your immune system as coronavirus has spread throughout the globe. It is important to improve your physical and mental health with various yoga practices. Today we will learn breathing techniques. Pranayama is a Sanskrit word which consists of prana and ayama. Prana means self-energy, life force, and ayama means extension. Pranayama is not simple breathing exercise, yet it is scientific breathing process where control over prana is achieved. Pranayama is connecting link between physical asanas and mental meditation yogic practices. Now let's start the pranayama. Sit comfortably in cross-legged position. Ensure your head and spine should be straight. Relax your body, especially shoulders. Close your eyes and breathe only through your nostril. Keep your right palm on your belly, just below your ribs, and other hand on your chest. Take slow deep breath in and breathe out slowly. Continue taking slow deep gentle breath in and out. Make your breath slower and deeper and breathe out slowly. Keep a gentle smile and breathe comfortably for few minutes. Focus on center of your eyebrows. Continue breathing in the same pattern, complete 12 rounds. Relax your hand and again put on your knees. Now return to normal position and notice your state of mind. Now slowly open your eyes. Relax. We will do same breathing exercise in laying position. Lay down comfortably with your back on mat. Your feet should be little apart. Your spine should be straight. Close your eyes and breathe only through your nostril. Keep a gentle smile and breathe comfortably for few minutes. Now, keep your right palm on your belly just below your ribs and other hand on your chest. Relax. Take slow deep breath in the breathe out slowly. Continue this breathing in the same pattern and complete 12 rounds. Allow your breath return to normal and notice the state of mind. Now let your hands to relax and rest on mat with palm facing upward. Relax your body. Now, slowly turn right and lift yourself with help of your left arm and again sit in cross-legged position. Now, you may open your eyes and relax and ensure your spine and head should be straight. Thank you all for watching video. Keep doing yoga, keep smiling and healthy.